So we're going to talk about cellular reproduction or reproduction in general. The reason cells reproduce differs between different types of cells. But all cells reproduce for three specific reasons. One, to replace cells that die. Two, to allow for growth of the individual or growth of the cell, or make room for growth. And three, to form a new organism. There's two types of reproduction, not cellular reproduction, reproduction in general. Asexual, basically you're going to go from one cell, original cell, we call that the parent cell, and two identical copies will be made. It's really one copy, this being the original, let's say, but it's one original and two daughter cells, which are clones to the original cell. In sexual reproduction, you have two parents, and then the offspring will be a mixture of both parents. So here you have two, let's say, cells, and they produce the egg and sperm cell, they fertilize, and then you have a mixture, which is the new organism. Right, the two types of reproduction are mitosis and meiosis, and we're going to discuss why these happen, where they take place, the number of cells made, and how they compare to the parent cell. So mitosis happens when cells need to grow or replace existing cells. It takes place in somatic cells, which are called body cells. Every cell except for gametes are considered body cells in your body. When mitosis is done, there will be two cells made, and these cells are going to be identical to the parent cell. I call them clones. They'll have the same exact genetic material. Meiosis happens to prepare for sexual reproduction. Gamete cells undergo meiosis. These are known as sex cells, so it would be egg and sperm cells. There are 4 cells made during the process of meiosis, and each cell will contain half the number of chromosomes to the original parent cell.